I got sponge.
Hi guys, here we are, Grandview Cottages Resort, Negros, the Philippines. And we are an eco-friendly resort, and my wife and I like to compost. And these are our compost bins. We have 6 compost bins. We have rice husk Leah's putting in now, and
Manure.
you can see down there is some nice healthy cow manure, and this is cow manure soup. Cow manure mixed with water. And our leaf matter is from various trees around the property. The workers rake them up and stack them here, and then we use them on the compost. But a lot of them are from this talaside tree.
And the lumboy.
The lumboy. Well, lumboy doesn't really break down.
It takes a while.
It takes a very long time for lumboy to break down.
Yeah. This one's lumboy.
That's the one the locals smoke, and that's talasai.
So it's a bit hard. This one, it breaks easily. This one, it's soft than this one.
Yeah.
It's good for mulch in the garden, mulching.
Yeah.
So we transfer this one to here, that one to here, and then what we're gonna do, we got some left over here, so we can use this one to activate this new one. Yeah. So on top of the husk, the
layers.
Yeah, this one, the poop, and oh, watch out! Don't step on the sabaw. We also use that one to activate it. Yeah.
We should grow some comfrey. Comfrey is a good activator. Comfrey leaves help the. By activating, we mean decomposing, helping it to start the cycle of decomposing, like that. Spread that around in there, and then we do it in layers, about 6-inch layers. Water it, fill the bins right up, and then over time with watering they end up sinking down about a couple of feet as it breaks down and heats up, breaks down. The piles diminish in size. As it's decomposing, of course, it collapses.
Then water it.
Very dry here at the moment. We haven't had any water for rain for about nearly 4 months.
Look at this one here.
Yeah.
Apparently there were Thailanders. There were people came in here and they sold us this. They said that it's very strong and it will take like years before it will get damaged, you know. But then look at it. It's even in the shade and it's already deteriorated.
We got conned.
So, we have to replace it.
Bloody Thailanders.
I don't know if they are even Thailanders.
Construction workers.
They probably just...
They come in with their uniform on, you know. Oh, we got these. We're packing up from working on the road, and we've got these tarpaulins left over. We're selling cheap. They weren't cheap. They were 3,000 each, and they're shit.
3,000.
Huh?
3,000.
3,000 each.
Yeah.
And look at them.
We bought about how many?
So yeah, be careful of Thailanders.